Okay, so in mechanics, you define power as F dot V. The dot product of the force times the velocity. Okay, so if this is the force and this is the velocity V, okay, that's just F dot V. Okay? But kung makita nato, what is V? That is now X over time, no? So we can just say that this is Fx, F dot delta X over, or we can say that this is delta X over delta T. But what is F dot delta X or F dot X? This is the work done. Okay, so that is now the work over the elapsed time. Okay, or over the elapsed time, or just we can just say that this is T. The work done per unit time. So power is the amount. What is the work done? That is the release of energy. Okay, the energy that you spend. Asay mas dakog energy. You eat 2,000 calories. 2,000 calories in one day, no? Let's say 2,000 calories. You consume 2,000 calories. Your body will use that 2,000 calories in one day, compared to a bomb that will use, suppose that I can actually convert that food into a bomb, which has a greater energy. Okay, pareho lang, no? Total, of course, that would be 2,000 calories. Okay, pero what's the difference there? Okay, the time nga gi-consume ang energy. Okay, the time nga gigamit ang energy. Of course, in that 2,000 calories, you use it for one day. But for a bomb, that 2,000 calories will be used in a very small amount of time. So, muna grabe ang yahang effect, no? Releasing energy in a very small amount of time. So, that's just about power. But here, we will be interested with what we call the electrical power, which is just, for the electrical power, we can say that this is just equal to the electrical energy over the time. Or, one. So, we'll use that electrical energy over time. What is electrical energy? The electrical energy is, of course, the potential times the test charge, right? So, some test charge Q, okay, times the potential over the elapsed time. Now, of course, Q over T, okay, the change in Q over the change in T, if you take this as the elapsed time, this now becomes the current, right? So this one is the whole thing is the current. That's why this becomes now IV. Okay? So this is, or since V is equal to IR, we can say also that this is equal to I squared R, or since I is equal to V over R, so pwede gyapon ni siya, this is V squared over R. So mao ni ang ang chain from mechanical power to the electrical power. Whenever we use power, whenever we calculate power in a circuit, okay. Whenever we use power in a circuit or we calculate power in a circuit, this is what we're going to use. Of course, wala man tayo dito, no? We can use this one, but you will be dealing with atomic, with the molecules there, kung mao na imong gamiton. Okay, so any of these three. Okay? So sa ato pa, from here, we can also say that the energy consumption, whenever you buy something, na ginatawag nga power, what's the unit of power? That's joules per second, right? Joules per second. And 1 joule per second is equal to 1 watt. Okay, 1 watt. Okay. So, kung mupalit mo ang appliances, unsay makita ninyo na ay power rating, right? What's the difference between an air-conditioned and your electric fan? It would say that the air-conditioned needs, kumbaga pa, you would need larger power to operate the air condition. Okay? It needs larger power. That's why makita nimo ang air condition 1 horsepower or 2 horsepower, 'di ba? Mo na what's 1 horsepower? 1 horsepower, 1 HP is equal to pila ni siya? So, this is 735, around 735 watts. Okay? 0.5? 0.5 watts. Sure na? Asan na yung ikuha? Basin sa Shopee na, ah. Meaning, 1 horse would be, or on average, that's on average, no? This is the power delivered by a horse. So, from that, you can calculate, now, given unsay kailangan niya nga force, unsay dagan niya, no? Makalculate na nimo. Okay, but of course, we will not be interested with mechanical power. So, morning, ang aircon is rated 1 horsepower, 1 HP, or 2 HP, depende sa katako sa inyong room. Or actually, just watts. For example, unsay kalahian sa TV karon ug sa TV sa una? Nakaabot mo itong mga TV nga, nga picture tube. Picture tube, right? Unsay kalahian? Of course, mas nindot ro, no? Ang TV karon mas clear, HD. Sa una, well, pero unsay advantage ug disadvantage? Gawa sa quality sa picture, okay? The pinaka-advantage karon is that karon ang TV karon, like for example, that very large, let's say 65 inches flat AMOLED nga screen, katupaging curve siguro. It will run around less than 100 watts siguro. No, less than 100 watts. Or maybe even, the more siya nag-efficient actually. I don't know, I'm not so sure. Pero ang katong TV na ako sa studio, that is 55 inch, pero dugay na itong model, that was just 5 years ago nga model, it consumes only around 50 watts. Okay? 50 watts ang yang consumption. Full kusog na yung speaker, no, loudspeaker, and kuan. So, yeah, I think around 50 watts or maybe 50 to 70 watts. Samantalang sa una, kanang television nga kuan, it will, I don't know, maybe it consumes 200, 300 watts. Okay, now, if higher ang power consumption, or not power consumption, if higher ang power requirement, that would mean that for a given time, taas po din inyong mabayaran. Okay? Ang inyong mabayaran actually is actually, you are not paying for the power, you are paying for the energy. Okay, how are electricity bills being calculated? But first, let us calculate power. Sa household nato, usually ana na siya no, nakay duha ka line. And every saksakan, di ba? Unsa may saksakan, nakaparallel siya, right? So every saksakan nakaparallel na siya. So, kanang saksakan na ana siya ay murag kumbaga paana, no? Wala lang eraser. Ngita dog, lang eraser dito speakers, be. Okay? So, in your household, but of course, we're using the alternating current. Pero, okay, still, the calculation of power is the same. This is an example. Ang isa ka anis, isa kasaksakan. Nga tulo ka buok ang kuan, meaning, kani siya, naana siya, no, na diri tong isaksak ni mo tong line dire. No? Di ba, naanay duha kasaksakan? No, naay kuan. So, pag nag-connect na siya, there will now be a load. So, each resistor represents what we call a load. Now, nganong resistor na siya? Ang isa man good ka appliance, ang isa ka gadget, ang isa ka whatever is that, aircon, refrigerator, or TV, or whatever is that, no, cellphone ninyo, can be represented by one resistor. Why is that? Why can we represent it by a single resistor? Okay, this is now, for example, isa ka load, second load, no? Posible nga, rice cooker, TV, ana. Unsa? Okay, yeah. Okay, very good. So, ang Okay. Ang, di ba, nata equivalent resistor, all of those are actually can be converted sa isa ka equivalent resistance. No? So that will be this resistor will represent the equivalent resistance of a single gadget or appliance. Okay, whatever is that, rice cooker ba na siya, washing machine, no, na siya equivalent resistance tanan. Although it's made up of more complicated circuits, di ba, remember, this can be, di ba, natay we simplified that circuit. So it's made up of complicated circuit, but then again, we can represent it by a single resistor and what we call that the REQ. So this is one, isa ka plug ni siya, no, of 3 kakuan. So, yeah, this is the usually nga sa household ninyo. Okay? Now, how do we calculate power? For example, okay. Example sa ta. Okay, suppose that this is a 9-volt battery and you have 3 resistors, no? You have 3 ohms, 2 ohms, and 1 ohm. We want to calculate the power, the power nga maano dire. Okay? Okay, how do we calculate that? Of course, first, we have to calculate the current. Okay, what is the total current here? Pwede na nato siya imuong no? That is 9 volts and isa ka resistor. The total is 321, that is 6 ohms with 9 volts. So sa ato pa, the current now will be I is equal to V over R. So meaning the current passing to this one will be 1.5 amperes or 3 halves amperes. Okay? So that the power dire is I squared R. So that is I squared, 1.5 squared. That is 3 halves squared, 9 over 4 times 3. 9 times 3, 27 over 4. So ato pa, this will consume 27 over 4 watts. That is in watts. IV is in watts. This is ampere times volts. Okay, 1 volt ampere equals 1 watt. Okay? That's sakto. 3, that is 9 over 4. How about this one? This will consume ila? 9, this is 18 over 4, or this is 9 over 2 watts. And how about this one? This is 9 over 4 watts. Right? Now, if you add all of them, 27 plus 18 plus 9. 27 plus 9, 36 plus 18. 36 plus 18, pila? What's the total power? 52? 54? So the total power will be 54? 54 over 4, pila ni siya? 27 over 2, no? 27 over 2 watts. Tama? Now, notice that the power here is just 3 halves times 9. Di ba, the total power is actually, this is the voltage source, di ba? What's the current passing through this one? 1.5 amperes. So 1.5 times 9, that would be 27 over 2 watts. So ang 27 over 2 watts nga ginadeliver sa battery is stored dire. Nakuha? Now, of course, kanang power na magdepende na siya manggod sa battery kung kaya na niya i-supply. Okay, for example, meaning that this circuit would require 27 over 2 watts of power in order to work. Nakuha? Let's say this could be a light bulb, whatever is that nga kuan. To work well, it would need 27 over 2 watts. Now, what happens if the battery will supply the power. What happens if the battery cannot supply the power? Well, meaning that it can no longer supply 1.5 amperes. It will supply lower current here. So, ang power niya, okay, what if the battery can only supply, this is smaller than this, 27 over 3 watts, no? Pati mo rin yung kaya i-supply. Okay? Unsay may tabo dire? Well, kani gihapon tungaon gihapon nila na, meaning what is the current flowing through the circuit? Okay? Suppose that the battery can just supply 27 over 3 watts. Kabalo mo magkahinay ang battery, kana ganing magka-drain siya, magkahinay na yung power. Okay? Now, ang effect ana is that ang iyang efficiency, no, is dili na niya pwede, naana siya yung mga dili niya kaya pagganahon. So what would happen? What would happen if the battery can only supply this? Okay? So the current will also be compromised. So it will be less than 1.5 amperes, right? So kada isa sa ila gamay ang power. Now what happens to a gadget that would operate in the lower power? Okay, muna actually ang kadautan. Okay, makadaot na siya. If you are actually plugging something in a low power, if the power is low, say may tabo. Okay? Ang mahitabuan na is that madaot ang appliances. Or what happens if kani manggong dire, if this is one isa na siya kasaksakan. If isa na siya kasaksakan, okay, or maybe sa inyong balay na anay ginatawag nga maximum power nga pwede ninyo magamit. Have you heard of overloading? Okay, what is overloading? Pag nabagsak, sir, mag-overload. Okay. What is overloading? Meaning that you're using more power than the one nga gi-allow sa inyo ha. Naman gud na sa ano man gud sa franchise sa electricity, na siya residential ba ka or commercial? Okay, pag commercial ka, I think mas higher ang wattage. Okay, we also call that wattage no sa atong daily higher ang wattage nga ihatag sa imuha. Okay? Now what happens if mas lower? I mean, mas higher imong gi-consume. Or that posible you are still in the same nakakagyapon sa power, pero kada saksakan na siya ginatawag maximum power nga pwede niya gamiton. Dapat kabalo mo ana. Okay? Depende na siya kabagaon sa wire, di ba na saksakan nga bagaog nipis. Okay? Now, ang resistance, okay, unsa may sa resistance sa radius? So ito pang tana? Okay, sa baga nga wire. Diba napansin ninyo mga saksakan na inipis og baga nga wire. Of course, dili ka basta-basta nga pwede mo saksak ana tan-aw palit mong extension wire, is katong nipis. And pag nipis man god, estimated that I don't know, di man gud na makatiwala god. Pero although posible nga kaya niya pero muinit na siya. Okay, magkainit ng saksakan. If in order to supply all the power, kasi may tabo, pag nipis na siya, in order to supply the power needed, for example, you want to use 1,000 watts of power. Now, what happens to pag nipis na siya, say buhaton, in order to have that power, kailangan niya og kusog na kuryente. And kusog nga kuryente, pag gamay ang wire na pag nipis, di niya kaya ma-supply, di ba? So tendency, kailangan niya kusog nga, dito, current. And that will heat up the wire. Yung say, mahitabo pag mo heat up ang wire. Of course, masunog and magkaroon og short circuit. Mao na sa overloading. Okay? Mo heat up ang saksakan because of the too much load. Kaya kumbaga pa, in order for that gadget to work, kailangan na siya mo power. Okay? Dili lang kay voltahe lang. For example, dili man na siya nga, for example, nakabutang dito 9 volts. Then you will supply 9 volts. Depende na siya. Okay? Kay what if 9 volts imong gi-supply pero ang kuryente is hinay. Nanay minimum current nga kuan. Okay lang actually kung above ka sa minimum sa current nga require. For example, if you're using ka ng mga ano, it will require, okay, it will require higher current. Okay? Na yung mga ano nga, let's say, for example, kaning keyboard nga, ano no, like, itong, na ako'y keyboard sa unang nga mahalon, synthesizer siya. That synthesizer will require much power than sa katong mga ordinary keyboard. Kasi mo synthesize man to siya og sound. Okay, it will require power. It will require much higher power. And kung gitry siya og kato ganing gigamitan og katong ordinary nga adapter that can only supply up to 1,000 milliamps. 1,000 milliamps or 1 ampere, it does not work well. Okay? Naiusahay pag-ana nimo boom, mapalong siya. Kuha na siya. Like sa keyboard, pag dili gani sakto ang supply ana, okay lang ginagmay lang nga ano no, isa lang ka ana. Pero kalito na mo nagbaga kayo nga notes, kailangan niya og power to generate that. Okay, daghan man siya gano. So, what would happen is that mapalong siya. Okay, so mo na ano sa power. So, now, any questions so far? Wala. Wala na question? Okay. So, mo na no, tanawon ninyo ang watts. Heating appliances will require higher power to operate. Mo nang wala mo ginasugtan og ano? Ginasugtan og mo nang wala mo ginasugtan og gamit og rice cooker sa iyong boarding house. Unless lang og kamo ang ubayad sa kuryente. Kinsa dili gabayad sa silang kuryente. Be careful when buying kani mga extension wires. Ayaw basta-basta. Labi nag-isaksak ninyo og mga rice cookers. No, or aircon. Pero mas delikadong rice cooker kay mas taas na siya og power nga ginagamit. Ang aircon lang galing mas hinay siya og power consumption pero prolonged. No? Dugay ang yahang kuan. Syempre, kung muluto ka rice cooker, pila raman, di ba? 20 minutes. Pero ang aircon, okay? Tibuok gabi. Now, ang atong buhaton karon is that, okay? Now, so you now know that in order to calculate for the power consumption, all you have to do is find the voltage drop in that or find the current, right? Depende og asa diri magamit nimo no. If walay current pero na kay voltage drop and you know the resistance, you can use V squared over R. Or if walay voltage drop but you have the current and the resistance, you can use this or this formula. Okay? So both for all formula are the same. Okay? Now okay. Of course, not only nga ang power imong the right power, you also need the right voltage. What happens if you are operating on a lower voltage? Well, of course, that would be equivalent to lower power gihapon. Okay, mas makaano na siya, pare-pareho lang actually. Like, di ba naay appliances. Diri sa ato, appliances are actually operating at 220. But if you go to US and Europe, Japan, kadaghanan, I think, they're operating at 110 volts. Okay? 110 volts. Now, kinahanglan ba yun ng 110 volts sa mga appliances? In fact, all appliances can run, except ka ng mga bugat siguro, aircon, washing machine. Pero kung tanawon nimo, pwede na siya i-supply sa ang ginagamit ana sulod may gagmay ram na mga voltahe sulod, no? Kanang tanawon nimo ng tising og gunit ng mga kuan dira. Hinay lang ng kuryente ana. Ayaw lang tong kuan sa electric fan tong ana no, tong nay kuan dira, ayaw gunite. Pero katong mga kadaganing naasa kanang green nga usara. Peso kanang kuan ba, kanang circuit board. Tingig gunit lang god. Gagmay ra nag voltahe. Kaya mga electronics dira. Kaya usually nana si transformer gikan sa 220 pag abot ana ang sa sulod manggod sa sa appliances ang ginagamit ana DC. AC ang current pero nana si transformer. Iyan ang i-transform from AC to DC. And of course, much slower nga voltage gyapon. Kay pag abot na, for example, kanang AMOLED TV, okay, I think it can operate at 19 volts, 20 volts. Pero isaksak mo siya 220. Dili na niya actually gamitan ng 220. Yan ang i-transform. What it wants to use is actually the power nga ginasupply nimo dito sa kuan. Okay? Okay, now, for example, ang ano karon is what we are interested is the cost. Unsay ginabayaran nato? Now, the rate actually nga mga ano nimo, if you go to Pibeco, kasi naka-ato dito sa Pibeco, no? Kasi naka-ato dito sa Pibeco. Ikaw, nagbayad na ka dito? Unsa may napansin niyo sa rate? That would be, the rate is actually in kilowatt hour. Okay? The cost per kilowatt hour, actually, the price now, the rate of electricity is actually, the unit of that is PHP per kilowatt hour. That would mean, for example, I don't know how much karon, pero let's say 15. No? 15 pesos PHP per kilowatt hour. That means, kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour, not per kilowatt. Kilowatt is a unit of power. Okay, kilowatt hour is a unit of energy, meaning this kilowatt hour, this is a unit of energy, meaning, okay, you can convert this to joules, right? How many joules is 1 kilowatt hour? Sige daw. How many joules is 1 kilowatt hour? 1 kilowatt hour is, meaning this is 1,000 watts times hour. Right? But this is joules per second, right? Joules per second. So we have to convert this hour into, okay? Okay, 1,000 joules per second times hour. But this is, convert this to record, this is now 3,600 seconds. Okay? No? So that would be equivalent to pila? 3.6 million joules. That is 1 kilowatt hour. Ibig sabihin, if you're doing a work 3,600 joules, 3.6 million joules, you will be paying 15 pesos. Okay. Unsa ng 3,600 joules? Suppose that's actually moving, it's like moving, how about moving 100 kilograms? Tanaw nato ni siya, unsa kadako ng kuan na, no? Para ma-estimate nato. Suppose you are actually moving, nakay gadget, no? Nakay appliance nga gina-push ni, ginatulak niya, no? Let's say this weighs 100 kilograms and the coefficient of friction is 0.5. Very rough, And this machine is pulling this at a constant velocity. So ang question, what is the work done? What is the work done in traveling? Okay, what is the work done by this? In traveling to a certain distance x. Okay, moving from this x here to that. What is the work done? Well, the work done is as equal to the force nga i-apply nimo dire, the force being which is the tension. Mo na karon ang force nga gina-apply dire, no? Iyang gina-release. Kani nga gadget nimo, no? Okay? Force times x. Okay? But what is that force? Well, of course, you just have to overcome friction, right? What's the friction? 0.5 times 980. because 100 times 9.8. So 0.5 times 980, that's 490. 490 sa ato pa, this is now equal to 490 newtons times x. And let this equal to 3.6 million. So what is now x? So 3.6 million divided by 490 newtons. Pila? 7,000. So around 7.4 kilometers. So every 7.4 kilometers, assuming nga walang energy loss diri ha, ibig sabihin wala pa na siya energy loss. All the power dito is converted. Okay, you can move this, you can pull, let's say, pwede i-push no, or i-move. You can move this by 7.3 kilometers. Barato lang ba? Suppose that is a car. Pila yung ratio ron sa gasolina? Pila ang gasolina ron? 55. Or let's say 60. 60. Ang ratio sa gasolina, 1:2. Sa kotse, 1:2. Sa amo kay murag 1:15 yata to. 1:15. So 1 liter is 215. So pila na per kilometers? 60 per divided by 15. 4 pesos per kilometer. Times 7. 4 times 7, pila? 38. Ha? 28? O, mas mahal itong gasolina, di ba? Kaysa kaning diri sa kurente. That is 28 kilometers. So, nasabtan ninyo ang kuan ani? This is a practical nga computation. Okay, wala na siya energy loss. Of course, napag yun na energy loss. This is assuming that all of the, okay? Now, let's go back dire. What is now 1 kilowatt hour? If you have 1 kilowatts, an appliance, no, or gadget that will require 1 kilowatt of power, and you use it for 1 hour, that is 1 kilowatt hour. Suppose nga ang imuhang rice cooker is 1 kilowatts, that's 1,000 watts. And around ana ang mga rice cooker yata. 1 kilowatts. Kung magluto ka dira og 1 hour, pilay bayran nimo? No. That would be 15 pesos. Nakuha? That would be 15 pesos imong bayran. Kung nagluto ka og 1 hour. Now, of course, dili gina, it's more than 15. Why is it more than 15? Na energy loss dira, of course. Okay? So, dili man na nimo tanan maano, no? Dili na siya, ay, sabagay, kung 1 hour na gina siya mo giluto, okay, 1 hour na gina siya. Okay? Okay, now, sige, try to solve this. Okay, get. Di, sayon rin eh. Ha? Mo gani kada meeting na mag-quiz. Kada Friday. Nag-ana ba day ko ato? Dapat kung dapat nag-ana ko ato. Ha? Okay. So, Ah, 9 volts na lang. Okay. Tanawang i-estimate daw ang inyong sige daw, cost sa inyong cellphone. Ang inyong charger is around pila na siya. Ang kanang 2 ampere at 5 volts, naman na siya, di ba? 2 amperes. Ang kanang medyo, kanang standard karon nga dili tong hinay, 2 amperes charging. Ang katong fast charging quantum, murag abot og 5 amperes. Ha? 64 kilowatts. No, dili 64 kilowatts. Dako kay na. Saka 64 watts. Okay. Ha? Okay. Kana lang 5 amperes, 5 volts at 2 ampere current. Kanang charging kusog sa una. Kanang bago naman ang mga ron. So that would be pila ka watts? 10, no? It will supply a current of 2, isulod niya sa imong cellphone, and then, pilay volts niya, 5 volts man na siya, ang iyang ginakuan. So sa ato, papila na siya ka watts, that would be 10 watts. Now, for 10 watts, unsa ka dugay i-charge ang cellphone? 1 hour? Sobra. 2 hours? Okay, 2 hours. Okay, what is estimate now the cost of sa isa ka adlaw ga-charge mo kasa, di ba? Let's say walay problema ang cellphone. So what is the amount of estimate now the amount you're paying, okay? Sa isa ka month. Okay, assuming that you're charging 2 hours per day with that 2 ampere supply and 5 volts. Okay? So nakakay 5 volts and at running at 2 amperes to charge your cell phone, and you're charging charging at 2 hours per day. 2 hours per day, estimate the amount you're paying for your cell phone's power in 1 month. Sige daw. So pila? So this is actually 10 watts, no? Ang power niya 10 watts at 2 hours a day, meaning per day, in 1 day, you are using pila? Pila yung energy nga gagamit nimo? That is now 10 times 2, that is 20 watt hour. Times 30 days, that would be 600 watt hour. Right? 600, sakto? That is 10 watts times 2 hours per day. That is now 20 watt hours. Right? Watt hour per day. Now, multiply this by 30, you will get now 600 watt hour, or this is actually equal to 0.6 kilowatt hour. Ang power. Right? So, power is equal to energy over time sa ato pa. Okay? The cost, the amount, okay, let's call this A. The amount that you pay is the energy, okay, is the energy. And which is equal to the power times time. Right? What is the, okay. Mauna actually ni siya, no? Sorry, this is not P. This is the energy, no? Okay? This is now the energy. Okay? So the amount, A is actually E over, isa ba? No, this is the rate. Let's call this the rate over, this is 15, right? Over the amount. Right? So sa ato pa, amount is equal, sakto ba? Ay, okay. No. Ang 15 is kilowatt. No, 15 is siya. 15 kilowatt hour per. Ay, pesos per Sorry. So 15 now is equal to the cost na lang over the energy. Okay? So that the cost now is equal to 15 times the energy. So this is now 15 times 0.6 pila? 9 pesos sa isa ka bulan. Yeah, singlan mo og 100. Now, how about sa laptop? Oh, laptop. Ang laptop is around 50 watts siguro. No? Oh, 50 watts. I-solve nato na. Oh, sige, Charlene, i-solve. Got-charge mga kadadlo. Ha? Dili. Ang laptop, pila? 4 hours. O, 4 hours na lang pagpalagay nato. So, 50 watts times 4 hours. Pila? So, 200 watts watt hour per day, right? Times 30, pila? 6,000 kilowatt hour, right? 6,000, wait. 6,000, ano eh? 6,000, so 6 kilowatt hour. So, times 15, pila? Okay, 90. Upat mo charge sana. Ayan. Landlady siguro dito sa ila. Ha? Dili actually ang fair ana, dili na mo jack up sa appliances kasi ang imuhang ang imuhang business is ang real estate, right? Mo na siya. Ano saman? So di ko mahawa. No, actually, kuha na siya. Mo na estimation. Pero ayaw ko gamitan ang pangalan ha nga. Ma'am. Ha? Ayaw gamitan ang pangalan na nga, ma'am, ingon ni Sir Lloyd, maura daw ni ang average consumption sa isa ka bulan ani. Now, mo na yung computation, ma'am. Of course, dili gyud na siya may cost kay naman ay mga losses pa. Pero I don't know pila ka percent ang losses ana, but still 100 per cellphone is dako ra kay. Wala man siguro ga-charge ana, nay ga-charge og 100 kada cellphone. Wala oy. Libre na ang cellphone. Okay, how about rice cooker? How about rice cooker? Wala ka balo pila sa rep? Sige daw, ang rep, ang power. Dili, ani man gud ang rep? Sige, i-try natin ang rep. Sige, pangitag power diya. Ang rep. Horsepower man ang rep. Lagi, pero na siya? Nana siya kanang, ato nang i-discuss ron. Sige daw, pilay power sa rep.
Refrigerator power.
Ref, kanang kuan ron. Kanang bago ron kay kuan naman gud na kanang inverter. 300 to 800. So, okay. Let's say ang refrigerator. Let's say 500 watts. Okay. Now, ani ng ref, ani na siya ga-function. Kanang 500 watts ana, kanang ref ninyo, wala na niya ginagamit ang 500 watts all the time. It will only use 500 watts if the compressor is on. Meaning, kapabugnaw siya mo, mupabugnaw siya. So, ang kabalo mo nga nung thermostat ang ref, your refrigerator has thermostat to know the temperature. Pag musaka na gani na siya sa temperature, buo na iyang mapansin niyo mo mukha rin siya on, at least yung daan ha, wala ko kabalo sa bago nga, wala ko yung ref nga, man good inverter. Ako, akong freezer is, katong karaan pa nga freezer. So, mutingog siya kalit, right? And then mo off na pod. Pag once nga mutingog na, meaning di niya gina-consume ng 500 watts. Okay? Kanang maximum power niya kay magpabugnaw siya diha. Okay? Or maybe not maximum. Okay? But most of the time, whenever nga nag-on siya, as long as wala siya giabrihan, it will just operate at around, I don't know, maybe 30 watts, 20 watts. Most of the time of the day. So, kaning 500 watts. That's why I cannot estimate this because I don't know the data. Pero let's just assume. Okay, let's just assume. Pag sige kag abri sa rep, unsay mga ano? Di, mo na ano, di ba? Mo na, di ba? Pag sige kag abri og rep, ang compressor niya, magsige ka na kay ngano man mo, musaka ang temperature. So, yan na po na siyang ipabugnaw mo under yung compressor. Now, let's assume that the compressor runs 3 hours. I don't know. But let's say, the compressor, ang iyang full power would run at 3 hours per day. I don't know if it's correct. If duol siya sa average, I don't know. But let's just assume nga kana. So, pila na siya. Sa per day, that is 1,500 watt hour. Plus, let's say, sa that operates 20 watts. Magpalagay nato 20 watts, no? Pagkatong stagnant lang siya. Let's say 20 watts. So, 21 hours, that's 21 times 20, pila? Ha? 21 times 20, that is 420. So, plus 420 watts hour. Pila? 1,950 watt hour. Okay? Or this is now 1.95 kilowatt hour per 92 per day. Times 30 days, pila? 57.6 kilowatt hours in 1 month. Now, what is now the cost? That is just this times 15 kilowatt, pila? 864. So, I think murag dol-dol ni siya. Karaan nga rep. 864 per month. Murag dako ra no? Di sa mga bago ring inverter murag ang promise nila less than 500 yata. I don't know kung tinuod ba na.